Hello students, in my first three videos, I have explained how to use Excel solver to solve three different types of programming problems. First is the linear programming, second is the integer linear programming uh, or binary linear programming, and third is the non-linear programming. So this is the fourth video in the series, and from here onwards I will be explaining the various applications from this particular book, Introduction to Management Science, Anderson, Sweeney, Williams, Camp and Martin, 13th edition, and this is the digital version. So we will directly go to that fourth chapter, and in the fourth chapter you see these are the applications, programming applications. First we are going into the marketing applications, and out of which first is the media selection. So in this video I will be covering media selection. So the case is like this, that a Relax and Enjoy Lake Development Corporation is developing a lakeside community at a privately owned lake. The primary market for the lakeside lots and homes include all middle and upper income families within approximately 100 miles of the development. Relax and Enjoy employed the advertising firm Boone Phillips and Jackson BP&J to design the promotion campaign. So basically this is about media selection for a promotion campaign. After considering possible advertising media and the market to be covered, BP&J recommended that the first month's advertising be restricted to 5 medias. At the end of the month, BP&J will then re-evaluate its strategy based on the month's results. So currently we are considering this first month of the promotion campaign, and we are taken 5 different medias. Now we will directly go to the table where the information is given. The 5 different medias are daytime TV, evening time TV, daily newspaper full page, Sunday newspaper magazine half page, and radio, which is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. slot. And then they have given us the different parameters with respect to this advertisement media. First column is about number of potential customers reached. So daytime reaches 1000 and radio reaches 300, newspaper reaches 2500. The second column is about cost in dollars per advertisement. So these are the cost in dollars per advertisement. The third column is maximum times available per month, because sometimes there will be restrictions, only few slots will be remaining. So currently daytime we have only 15 slots remaining in this month. Evening time is much crowded and only 10 slots are remaining, like that. Right? So this is the availability criteria. And then exposure quality units. So exposure quality unit is a sort of a measure which basically the media tries to maximize the quality of reach. So we have 65 year, 90 year, 40 year, 60 year and 20 year, and they want to actually maximize the exposure quality units achieved through the campaign. So they have used these variables. DTV with the number of times daytime TV is used. See, when you are declaring, attempting such problems, first job is to declare the variables, properly declare the variables. So this is how we have to declare the variables. ETVB, number of times evening TV is used. DNB, the number of times daily newspaper is used. SN, number of times Sunday newspaper is used. And R, number of times radio is used. Now, our objective is to maximize the exposure unit. So this is the equation for exposure unit, because the last column is 65 per daytime. So 65 into DTV will be my total exposure units from daily. The number of times daytime TV is watched, or 65 into DTV plus 90 into ETV plus 40 into DN. This is the total exposure units or exposure quality units which the campaign will achieve, right? And these are the constraints that they have mentioned here, that in the information they have given, that daytime television is maximum available is 15, 10, 25, 4 and 30, right? So that is mentioned here, availability of media. So when you are writing this model, the constraints, whenever you are writing, you have to write the justification here. This justification is important. From, always it will tell from where that equations are coming. So justifications are important, and even in exams these justifications carry marks. Then about the budget, budget, they have mentioned that we have 30,000 budget. Somewhere they have mentioned that that information will be given to you, right? So relax and enjoy provided BPNJ with the advertising budget of 30,000. So this is the for the first month campaign, right? So 30,000. So cost into DTV 1,500 into DTV plus 3,000 into ETV. Like this, we have to multiply to get the cost. So this is my budget constraint. It should not exceed 30,000. Then they have also mentioned here that the total, the other conditions are mentioned here. So you can read those conditions, which will give you these equations. DTV plus ETV should be at least 10. Then this particular cost you spend on the television should not exceed 18,000. Then at least 50,000 customers should be reached, right? So here we are using this potential customer reach. So using that column we are writing this, and then all these variables should be non-negative, they cannot be negative. So this is my model, this is the objective function, and these are the constraints. And once you have this model ready, you have you know how to solve it, because that I have explained in my first 3 videos. This is a LPP model, so you will use simplex LPP. And when you solve this, this is the answer you are going to get. So just cross check with your with your solution this particular answers, right? So DTV you have to use 10, ETV you can't use, you should not use, daily newspaper 25, Sunday newspaper 2, and radio advertisements are 30, and total exposure units you can reach maximum is 2370. About the slack surplus, dual value and other sensitivity, I am not covering in this video. It will require a special video, but right now I am going to cover all the applications one after another. Later on, if the time permits, I will make the video for slack and surplus and dual value explanations, right? So this is the first application, media selection. Thank you.